This isn't just a cart, it's your everyday luxury. Introducing SPEEDIGO's SPG 4+2 Prime. Smooth steering for effortless control. Body panels made up of metal and plastic polymer. Tough glass for enhanced safety. Premium alloy rims with tubeless tires for stylish presence, reliable performance. LED headlights for clear vision. Control performance instantly with high, medium and low power modes. Enhanced safety with 4-wheel disc brakes and effortless parking brake control. Smart key access for easy locking and unlocking with added convenience and security. Rear view camera for confident parking and maneuvering.